guys, Timothy in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a tuna potato dinner. It's better than original and it gives a little more finesse and a little more surprise to it. It's also good for lunch or dinner. I made this several times myself and it's amazing. The first few times I made it, it didn't come out all that well. Of course, you have to know how to, what I will show you and demonstrate in a little while here. So I will let's get going, and I'll show you the ingredients first before we start. We got the potatoes that I just got out of the microwave. What you want to do is you want to put it on a paper towel. First you want to scrub the potatoes as much as you can, cold water. Then you want to use a fork and score them everywhere you can, all around, because a potato is like a sponge. It absorbs water. Then you want to put it on a paper towel and put it in the microwave. If you have a setting in your microwave for potatoes, sometimes they say 4 minutes, but you want to do it twice. The first time you leave it like it is, then when it's done you flip it over for another turn and that'll be it. Then bring them out, let it cool down for a little bit. Let's get going on the ingredients now. We have tuna. I have Genova white fin, celery, green onion, cucumber dressing. I have salt, pepper, Monterey Jack. Now we are going to get going on the cutting of the potatoes. First you want to go forward in to the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Same vice versa. And you also want to get a pumpkin scooper if you can. Scoop it around and out because you're going to take the pulp out. So just make a little circular edge. And it helps if you... And you also put the pulp in the bowl there because you're going to reuse it. So nothing is going to waste. I don't like wasting anything. And you try to take out as much as possible as you can. There's no wrong answer or right answer on this. Like so. And just keep going until it looks like it is good to go. Which this one looks like it's good to go. So now that we got that all in here, we're gonna mash this real quick. When I get the bigger stuff mashed, I'm gonna use a fork. I know what you're thinking, Tim, I got a stand mixer. No, naughty. This is a lot easier and this is amazing. It's not going to take that long, so don't even whip out the stand mixer. I know it's your pride and joy, but no. So now we're going to use a fork. And now we're going to add in the tuna. Surprise. I like white tuna. Most people would probably say, that's disgusting. It is not disgusting. It's good for you. Just like salmon. Yummy. Yummy in the tummy. That looks good there. Now we're going to put in the celery and the green onions. Slowly mix it in, combine it. Doesn't that look amazing already? Now the magic happens in here. The cucumber surprise set dressing. Just mix it together because it's going to combine together. It's like a filler, like glue. It needs to stick to something. It will definitely stick together with tuna. I hope you guys do try this and let me know, because it is amazing. It won't cost that much either. So that looks like we got it all combined pretty good here. What do you think? Yummy. Can't wait to put this together. I'm ready to eat this. Been looking forward to this all day. So now we're going to get our spoon out. Just spoon it in there, like so. Doesn't that look amazing? And the leftovers, you're going, Tim, there's a lot of leftovers. Yes, there is. You could make that for whatever else you want to use it for. Doesn't that look good? The binding? You don't have to fill it like I am. But this is a different, ordinary potato that you're not used to. Instead of just warming it up and just having it like that. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's just put a little bit more on there. And there we go. Next, we're going to add in the cheese. But first we need the baking sheet first. Got to put it on the baking sheet. It ain't going to put it in itself in the oven. And you want to put it on the broil on the oven. Like so. Have it a little farther apart. Now we're going to add in some cheese. Like so. Doesn't that look good? And the leftovers that I have here, you can add a little bit more on if you like later. And then we're going to add in a little salt and pepper for a little flavor. There, that looks good. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? So have your oven preheated to a broil on high for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is melted on the top layer, and then let it sit for, I'd say, 5 or 10 minutes. I let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Doesn't that look amazing? I whipped up a little salad here. It's got sesame seed salad in there and a little iced tea to go with it. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Doesn't that look great? I'm going to try a little bit here. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's like a stuffed potato with a magical taste inside. Very chewy, very moist, and very delicious. I hope you and your family do try this and leave a comment below of how this recipe turned out for you. Thank you very much for joining me in Timothy in the Kitchen today. I hope this inspires you and motivates you to want to go in your kitchen and try this wonderful ingredient. Thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.